Part of the everyday is designing the menu. So today I thought that I would bring you into the kitchen with me as I prepare dinner for this evening. So on the menu tonight I have broiled chicken legs. So I like to boil mine for 20 minutes and then I just do a quick broil on both sides. About 5 to 8 minutes, it just depends. It depends how the chicken legs are looking. And I use a couple of different seasonings, and I have corn on the cob. And by the way, this menu was requested by my youngest. So I went to the store today and just got the ingredients for all of that. And I actually find that I can usually go to the store for a couple of days out of the week, but then I actually prefer to go as we are going to make things. I find that there's a lot less waste that way. So we also are going to be having some asparagus, and I just boil that for 7 minutes, and then we like to put lemon butter on it. And she also asked for some garlic pasta. So I am going to bring one of my daughters up here because she is a master at chopping up the garlic, and I just like to include them in different things. I had one daughter shuck the corn, another daughter just basically designed the menu tonight, and then I will have my oldest chop up all the garlic. And what else is there? Oh yes, it's garlic Parmesan pasta. So I actually went with mini bow ties this time instead of the normal size bow ties that we go with. And so I just think it will be cute and fun. And I didn't even get, well, asparagus is enough. I was going to say that I didn't even get salad, but that's fine. We have enough. There will be enough on the plate. So come along with me as I prepare dinner, and I hope that this offers you a little bit of inspiration, especially if you have no idea what to make. But then again, I'm all for going with what your family loves and requesting from them, if you need some inspiration, what do they want to eat tonight for dinner? One of the things I have taken out of the kitchen is my phone, and just all of the podcasts, all of the videos, the things that I used to use my phone for in the kitchen just to pass the time, I no longer do. So for instance, I have the chicken legs boiling and it's going to be about 20 minutes. So that just means that I have my timer set, and I can use that time to do other things like play with the dogs a little bit or put some dishes away. And that's one of the best things about freeing up your time and your mental energy. Then it feels like you have space to be able to have conversations with those that are around, or just to engage in the moment of whatever it is that's going on. Today I want to talk about something that often gets confused in modern conversation: the difference between hospitality and entertaining. These two words are sometimes used interchangeably, but they are not the same thing. Not in purpose, not in posture, and certainly not in the way they feel to those who receive them. Entertaining is about performance. It can be polished and lovely, but it's often wrapped up in impressing others, making sure everything looks perfect, sounds perfect, and runs on schedule. There's nothing wrong with putting care into what you present, but when perfection becomes the goal, it can quickly become exhausting. And if we're honest, it often becomes more about us than about the people we're inviting in. Hospitality, on the other hand, is about presence. It's the open hand, the open door, and the open heart. It doesn't demand that everything be pristine. It simply says, "You're welcome here." It's not about showing off your best china or your cleanest corner. It's about sharing your life, right as it is. When I think about the gatherings I've cherished most, they weren't the ones with the fanciest meals or the most coordinated table settings. They were the moments when I felt seen, cared for, given space to just be. Hospitality does that. It makes room for people. It allows the ordinary to feel beautiful, and it leaves others feeling nourished in ways that go far beyond the food. This subject is near to my heart. It was also something that was requested by a patron, which is why I wrote about it in this month's issue of the Lady of the House Legacy digital magazine. If you've enjoyed this reflection, I know you'll love the full article and the others included in the August issue. A preview is now available on my Patreon channel, and I truly hope to see you over there. It's linked in my description box below. Each issue is a labor of love, meant to encourage, inspire, and quietly call us back to the beauty of a well-tended life. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this too. How do you see the difference between hospitality and entertaining? Have you ever felt the contrast in your own life, whether as a guest or as the one welcoming others in? Please share in the comments. I look forward to reading your reflections and learning from your experiences. Until next time, may your home always offer peace, may your table be shared in love, and may your hands remain open to the beauty of true hospitality.
Welcome to Inspired by Nikkiyt. Today, mowing the backyard for ladies.